Hi! In this video tutorial, we will show you how to install FM-Tco4 HCV GPS tracker using FMS harness. First of all, please make sure that device is configured. Also, make sure that the SIM card is inserted before the installation. We will use these tools: FMS connector location depends on manufacturer. The most common locations are on the right side of the front panel or in the fuse box area on the left side of the front panel, or above driver's area roof cover. It is also possible that your vehicle might not have FMS connector because it is usually ordered as a separate feature. If FMS connector is not installed in your vehicle, you may ask your local truck dealer to install it or use alternative connection methods. In this case, FMS connector is located under the fuse box in the right side of the front panel. Check if your FMS connector have terminal 7. In most cases, it is absent, as it is in ours. If you found the terminal, connect it to Ruptela device K-line input. K-line connection is not mandatory for FMS connector, but highly recommended. K-line enables receival of additional information such as driver ID and driver status. This video will not cover K-line connection via other methods. The connection is simple. Connect the FMS harness connector to the FMS connector in the vehicle and 12-pin connector to Ruptela device. Antenna must be facing upwards and should be away from large metal objects. Also, try to put antenna as close to front windshield as possible. Now check if network and GPS status is correct. To ensure that device is configured correctly and the connection is good, you may log into your Trust Track account and check if data is received. Put the plastic parts back in original places. And that's it! You have just successfully installed FM-Tco4 HCV GPS tracker using FMS harness.